don't know. I didn't see the game, man. It can't be that bad, surely. Yo! It's got the line, ref! Yo! 1-0. Max Lane, bro! Oh! Shout out Max Lane with the goal! Yo! Max Lane's bagged, bro!
Into? Oh, I thought Kusanov was going to twat it. Elaine! Yes, that's over the line, surely! Yes, Max! Get in! Elaine with the goal! Come on! Oh, I'm so happy for him. Yeah. Get that one out with your gelled hair.
Yo, Makeda was kind of saucy a bit. Ooh! Ooh, Elaine! Goal! Is it in? Max Elaine with a goal! 1-0 City! Yo, Max Elaine, boys. I couldn't even tell if it went in.
Kuzi.
Oh, let's go!
Go!
Oh,
We got an academy grad, baby.
Let's go! Come on! Hold on, here we go. Let's go. Music. Hey.
Alan! Kusha! Ah! Max! Max has scored! Max Alliance भाई मेरे को पता नहीं इसका पूरा नाम क्या है भाई Max Alliance Max Arena जो भी है भाई Max has scored भाई
Semenyo, block shot FC. Rod. Oh! Rodri, bro! With an absolute thunderbolt from 30 yards. Rodri strikes. What a goal. Oh my days. Well, he's not actually played that well today. He's given the ball away a few times. But he absolutely smacks that into the back of the net from
Ankle toes. Got the shot off. Rodri shot off. Oh, yes. What a strike. Outside the box. It's beautiful. Should the goalkeeper be doing better? Almost definitely, but I don't care. Oh, how we missed those. Yeah, this goalkeeper.
Benyo! Blocked. Oh! Rodri with a rocket. 2-0 City. And you guys want to sell Rodri, man. The chat wants to sell Rodri, and he's scoring these.
Oh, I want to see people. Oh!
Whoa, shit! Holy fuck! Holy fuck!
Rocky, we're back!
Oh my days! Oh my god!
Go!
Oh shit!
What the fuck, Rodri? Rodri! Holy fuck! What a brilliant goal! Holy shit! Rodri's on fire!
Have we scored? Yo! He scored, bro! What the hell? How'd I miss that? Ake with a beautiful finish. 3-0 to the boys. It's another set-piece FC goal. Yo, hold that, Arsenal. We're coming for your crown, man.
Oh! We've scored! I don't know what happened there! It's a shambles. I think it's an own goal. We scored.
And it's on ESPN Plus for me. And I have an ESPN Plus, so that's where I'm... Ooh! It's another goal! 3, I have no idea. It might be an own goal. That is 3. Is it Ake with a goal? I cannot tell. It was an absolute disgusting...
There are so many defenders in the box. It's gonna be hard.
Oh,
but you get it up. Oh!
there we go.
Oh,
On
oh
goal.
shit.
On goal.
On goal.
On goal.
Does it count?
Yeah. No, everybody's clapping and hugging.
All right, cool. Man, we did it. Yeah. Third. We got a third. There we go.
वो ज्यादा देर ले पाएगा ना तो फिर वही दिक्कत हो जाएगी। गोल! ओले ओले ओले! आके ओले ओले! हमारी टूटी हुई परी ने गोल मार दिया। ओले ओले ओले!
Finders cuts it back. Yo, it's gone in again. Yo, we're scoring some scrappy goals here today. Is that an own goal or Turkey goal? Own goal or Turkey goal? 4-0. That was it.
Algeria final. McAdoo, reverse ball into Reinders. Oh, yes, is that another own goal? Well, not another own goal. This one's definitely an own goal. Lads. This poor goalkeeper, man.
Semenyo! Goal! I think it's an own goal. I think it's an own goal, guys. 4-0.
Oh my gosh.
Doop. That's Quattro.
Fashion mix. Oh! Who scores? Who scores? किसने मारा? किसने मारा? किसने मारा?
Is that true though, bro? Because that's what he's number 42. Semenyo! It's a golazo! My captain! Oi, speak on Rico Lewis now! Speak on Rico Lewis now!
Lewis gets it. Yes, well done. Is he onside? Yes, that's a Semenyo assist. Gets in. Is it? Yeah? Yes. Oh, sorry. Sorry, he was on the floor. I thought he was injured. Yeah.
Semenyo sends it across. Oh, goal for Rico Lewis, man. Semenyo with an assist. Who said Semenyo is not creative, guys? What are we talking about?
Ooh.
Oh, Semenyo cross. Goal!
Okay, now you're ahead of
Rico,
me. That's
Captain
hilarious.
Rico, baby. Captain Rico,
Look at
let's
Rico
go.
goal. Hey, I said it. He watched the slide.
Funi, क्या बुला दो मैं पता नहीं. Semenyo. Grinders. Semenyo. Semenyo. Oh! Casa nahi hai. It is Rico bloody Lewis. Rico.
Yo, Semenyo could be in here. Semenyo! Go! Semenyo! Go! La 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 la! Golazo! 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 Yes, bro. That is why we bought you, bro. That is why we bought you, man. For golazo.
Yo, here we go. Score the goal. Oh, and there it is. Yes, we got the Shirky assist. It wasn't to Haaland in the end, but it was to Semenyo. Scores in his debut. Oh, Foden giving him a little hug. That's very cute.
City, ball in behind. Semenyo! Semenyo! Bro. I love this guy. 6-0.
Algerian. Is he gonna score? Is he gonna score? He's gonna score! Let's go! Let's fucking go!
Oh my gosh.
Let's fucking go!
Antoine Semenyo! Antoine Semenyo, welcome to the best club in the world. ऐसा स्वागत होना चाहिए भाई सबका. Goal and an assist.
Jezadocki moving mad. TJ, oh, what a strike, Reinders. 7 of the best goals you've ever seen in your life. It's City 7, Exeter 0. Beautiful strike from Reinders. Guides the ball into the bottom corner.
For him, finds Reinders instead. Oh, yes. Lovely strike. And there we go on the 70th minute, like clockwork. Like clockwork. 7-0.
Inside, outside, back to Reinders. Shoots! Goal! Reinders from outside the box. What a finish. That is 7.
Reinders, curler, goal. Goal. Goal.
Seriously?
Reinders.
Oh my gosh.
7.
Wow. Wow.
Doku, Johnny Reinders! What a bloody goal! Johnny Reinders!
McKenna! Bags! What are you on about? Fake score? Ain't a fake score. McKenna with the goal! 9-0 for the boys! There we go!
Oh, he finds Mikado instead. Come on. Yes, there it is. Yes. Oh, well done. He gets his goal. What a beautiful moment for him. Oh, that's lovely. Get in.
O'Reilly with a header. It is 8. 8-0 for Manchester City. Nico O'Reilly with a beautiful header.
Let's get these 8s in the chat. 8s in the chat, everybody. 8s in the
Are you
chat.
serious?
8s in the
serious?
chat. 8s in the chat.
Gosh.
Ocho. 8s in the
O'Reilly.
chat.
Woo! Woo! Oh, what a brilliant header by Nico O'Reilly, bhai. 8-0, bro. Nico.
McKenna! Bags! What are you on about? Fake score? Ain't a fake score. McKenna with the goal! 9-0 for the boys! There we go!
Oh, he finds Mikado instead. Come on. Yes, there it is. Yes. Oh, well done. He gets his goal. What a beautiful moment for him. Oh, that's lovely. Get in.
Surely he doesn't want to move. Ooh, wide. McAdoo. McAdoo shoots. Goal. That's 9. Ryan McAdoo debut goal. Get in.
Cross. Come on, McAdoo. It's your shot. It's your shot. Go! We got 9.
Seriously?
We got
have
9. We got 9. Academy goal. What up, baby?
I'm so
Nueve.
overstimulated.
9s in the chat.
I'm so
9s in the
overstimulated.
chat.
Mukasa. McAdoo. McAdoo. What a goal by McAdoo. Scooby-Doo.
Oh my god, they've scored! Yo, what a banger! Holy shit! Exeter have bagged, lads. No cap. What a goal that is. Alright, Shah, big up to you, mate.
Oh my god, what a goal. Fuck me. That's a fucking banger. That just bounced out of the fucking call. There's literally nothing the Trafford can do about that, man. And that is literally the best goal of the game.
Small. Oh! Exeter with a goal. What a goal, Exeter. Fair play.
Got it. Yes. Good job. Y'all deserve. Good job. See, Birch,
Yeah.
moment of a lifetime. You deserve, King.
And he came on as a sub.
Close game, yaar. इतनी close हो गई है game, यार. Shit. इतनी क्लोज भाई, अब कहाँ पर हूँ यार, इतनी क्लोज गेम का कैसे कर
No! Rico! Yo! He's back, bro! We've equaled the record, man! We've equaled the record! City beat Huddersfield.
Yes! And there it is! Goal number 10 is Rico! Rico! See, my timer is not even designed to do double.
There it is! Rico Lewis hits it for the 10th goal. 10 for City.
This is fun. Oh my God, they did. They did. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Ah, Rico got his brace.
Rico got a race.
Yo, it's looking like binary.
देना, अभी तो जेरेमी डोकू ही ने बताएगा, जेरेमी डोकू तेरी माँ Rico Lewis brace, who would have thought? Who would have thought a Rico Lewis brace?